So, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So based on the title below, you guys already know what time it is. I'm mad me, I'm adult. So, guys, so for that one you know, make it in the living room and watch TV with Jaime. So, you know, make it there act like me taking the movie and thing and act like me watch what going and thing, and the next thing you know, I start talking to my imaginary friend, I start fighting my imaginary friend, forget him reaction and thing. I don't want to talk too low because I don't want him hear because boy fast, but tune into the video guys. I know when I got enjoy that one. If you don't enjoy it, let me know in the comments.
What going on?
I'm on TV. Are we mad to climb the wall?
No.
Oh. Turn it up now?
The remote is too far, I can't bother with it.
Oh.
Yeah, can't bother with it too far.
But they ever really watch a show there. Like, we can never ever finish watch a show. No matter how much I like, we can never ever finish watch a show.
When you ever drop asleep, that's why.
Yeah.
Because you ever work, when you're done work, you see how much.
You can fight? You can fight?
What you do?
You can fight? You're a bad girl? You're a bad girl? You're a bad girl? You're a bad girl?
You good?
You ever want to fight or you can't fight? You're a bad girl?
Oh, dear. You good?
Yeah.
What's you going so far?
I'm an imaginary friend. But she
What's the
always want to fight. She always want to fight.
So which part second?
You know, see her, yes, so. She the right, yes, so. She the right, yes, so. Let go from me ear. Let go from me ear. She the right, yes, so.
You good? You need
Yeah.
to, you know why you're not boy, you go you
Watch her, watch her, watch her.
Watch what?
Watch her.
Who is her?
Shut up your mouth. Nobody not chat to you.
Who you talk to?
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth.
What?
Shut up your mouth.
What you?
Hey, girl. Shut up your mouth.
Oh, dear.
Let me lick up all my hand. She not even that long and just act decent.
What
She ever want to involve herself in a... Nobody did not chat to you. Sit down and act decent. I don't know what kind of best friend you will be. Always want to fight. He's a bad man, girl.
Oh, dear.
Watch her, watch her.
Oh, imaginary friend. Nobody know there. Then if you imagine yourself a baby or something like that.
Watch her, watch her, watch her.
Ignore her.
Me ignore the germs that she does ever want in a things. She does ever want in a things with me. Hey girl, no ramp with me, you know. No ramp with me, you know.
You good?
We gotta move. We gotta come off.
Now come out of this. Can't bother with you when you're looking story then. My God.
Hey girl. Now want that girl, yeah.
You good? You good now? You satisfied? You don't want your friend?
Ain't no shrimp with me, I'm gonna choke that.
What?
I choke that. Ain't no that girl around with me, I'm gonna choke that.
Mother. You need to build it now, because where you going to choke? When I say choke what? Where you never choke?
Me, I have to show that girl something today. I'm gonna show you something, girl. I'm gonna show you something.
Nobody not done it.
The girl right there, something. I'm gonna show her something. I'm gonna show her something.
Me personally, I'm team need to show myself to the door now, because I get married now. Something wrong with me. Something much wrong with me. Just want to play my thing all the thing about me.
Anytime she get none of my food, that's what she want. You're not get none. You're not getting none of my food. Anytime she get none of my food, that's what she want. They're gonna sing.
See your friend Crable? She's going to because she don't get no food. You beat her, she beat up over food.
Come out.
You get that? What up?
Come out of my place. Come out of my house. Come out of my place. Come out. Hey, girl. Come out of my place.
You kill yourself over ducky?
Come out of my place.
You good? You alright? You need to bail, you need to stop it.
You're so shy.
You're going to mash up the place? Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Not
Me I like it hot.
not
Me I like
in
it
here.
hot.
You're going to for no
What
reason.
she man run with woman bag? What she man run with woman bag?
You're gonna make joke after that?
You don't see, eh?
You're gonna make
You don't
joke
see me
after
run
that?
with the woman bag. Where you laugh for? Nobody chat to you?
Jesus Christ.
Where you laugh for?
So we need to send my pastor to you.
Pastor for who? A she, you call pastor for with her crosses self. She real dopey for show. Because I know she even not doing it for. You can go on home now in a night now.
You know, tell me something.
A night now. Leg off from my head, leg off from my head.
I want to you.
Me wet her up, you know.
What up, what? You're drenched the couch for nothing.
Me wet her up, you know.
Nobody there for it.
Tell her for left, you know. Tell her for left, you know.
I'm not telling nobody for
Tell her for left.
Nobody there.
I should feel like such a man want. I should not want to lick.
Jesus Christ, what's it?
Leg off for me now, leg off. Leg off for me.
You good?
Yeah. Watch it. No, sir, you small shot him fire a while ago.
You see what you just done a while ago? You
What
talk
deal?
about shot?
She a idiot. She can't even fight.
Both of them are in there. Yeah, jerk yourself back and forth for nothing. Nothing even there.
Hey, girl, don't chat to my pitney. You don't hear her ask you a question.
No, I'm not hearing nobody calling about the dead.
Tell the girls to not chat to you.
Nobody dead.
Matt. Girl, me get hot. She not going to say me get busy in this.
Busy, you know what? Chat. Nobody mind that talk me, you know. Think we need to pray for you, you know. There's something serious wrong with you. Welcome, super.
Y'all look for me? Y'all look for me?
Who are look for you? You're schizophrenic? Nobody there. Who you do? You are point off.
You sure not done it?
You there talk about show, you not done it.
Oh, done. Me not do nothing.
You do everything. You
There's nothing.
cuss out the settee.
Yeah, because you bad mind me for nothing. You bad mind me for nothing.
You're right.
But don't tell us I'm not getting on my food and that banar.
Yeah, of course.
Girl, bad mind for nothing.
Watch here. But just say nobody talk me, you know.
For your guy, yeah, you're not shame. You're not
You need to
shame.
make sure say nobody there and mad out, you know.
You're not shame.
From Senegal, Bellevue. You need some medications.
Your mama back. Your mama back. Your mama back.
I want you, man.
Nobody afraid of you? Nobody not frightened for you, girl. Nobody not... Hey, girl. Your mother back.
Who you of course? Nobody there.
Bright.
You good?
You see, girl, you can come to people also and want to fight them
Nobody in here.
with her bright self. The show done. Okay, make the show
You're
done.
not good for the show then?
The
You
show
only for them.
done.
Something wrong with you. You talk about show
We
done.
never start as she's...
I
Shut
never
up
start.
about girl.
Mommy! You good? Put that joke aside, you need to stop now. Because that don't funny. I don't know if I try to be funny, but that don't funny.
You can't do me nothing. You can't do me nothing.
Yeah, but that's not. Sick and tired.
You can't do me nothing. Hey, girl! Hey! Hey, girl!
Boy!
Hey, girl!
Stop now, man! Not tell us what you know. Stop, man. You're not funny no more, man. Yo.
Come out here. And that's your for do. Oh, you better left. You better left my place.
Who you talk to?
The girl. Like, yeah. You know, some coach on that show.
Mother, may I ask you if you're done
What am I done?
with your foolishness?
I do not know. I'm tired. Girl, I'm tired.
Nobody not there. Who can make it time if nobody not there?
Oh, she gone. Oh, she gone. Yeah, I think that somebody attacking about look at where the sun come from. If I ever she, you see? If I ever she. She run there?
Nobody not there.
Oh.
I want you, man.
Ah!
Nobody not there need for bail.
You got my shirt? You got pranked. Ah! You remember you love go so? And take your time and I sing on the chair like you think you. You mad? You've got. Ah! Yo. No, sir. Don't change the price, alright? Say get prank. Why get prank? She's my back hurt my man. If ever I run with him get prank, but I don't want to stand up to him prank. The male chat foolishness, but then I change the price, alright? Boy, they get prank. Hey, girl. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Have a great afternoon. I need to go finish cook. Bye bye.